Hey Jammers, what's up? It's me, Coolest97, and today, we're playing Forgotten Desert, and sorry, I'm just like, so, peace. All right, so we played Forgotten Desert. We got something really bad on the chest though. We got like 3 rares. We got a black rare witch hat, real musketeer boots, black real musketeer boots, sorry, and blue elf armor helmet. But they were all rare except for Ammo Jam gave us a matte, and it wasn't really good. But I have the rares that I got on the Forgotten Desert on my trade, so you guys can see it. Alright, so sorry about the start on the internet. I have the black real musketeer boots, the rare elf helmet, and the rare witch masks. Rare witch, sorry. Okay, so we're doing this again. I'm with my buddy Shelby15. She actually has a YouTube account. Her name is Haley Duvall, and she made a video. I think, yeah, she made a video. So go look at her channel. She only made one so far, I think. Yeah, she's the eagle right there with, yeah, right there in the corner. And I'm hoping on this episode, well, not this episode, on this one, we get some good things as well. It's just, if we don't, it's okay, I guess. So far, we're probably going to get the green ones first. Yeah, definitely the green ones first, alright? Maybe green or yellow, because I just found a yellow one. For some reason, we can't say chest. I want to say chest. That's the wrong one. It's a new word to add. I like always type up random whenever like I'm mad or I want to say something. For my jammers, okay. Let's just like say hi. Alright, so like I said, oh, never mind, we're tied with yellow again. Wait, no, green's gonna win. The only thing that's just like in the 10, in a 10, like in an actual 10, is the 8, like the silver ones that we have to get. It's funny. Because it has 15, and all the rest have 20 and 30. Well, not 20 and 30, but 20. I know how to get the purple ones. It's just, it takes too long to get the purple ones. You have to go like a lot of these little setup things. Alright, looks like yellow's gonna win. Okay. We're probably gonna get yellow first. Looks like it. The girl in the corner, I call her HTT. Purple takes long. Okay. Just saying hi. We can't do purple. Yeah, we can. It takes long. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Look, they I used to always say it's no, I used to always say on Ammo Jam, Okay, K, right? I like, no. It looks like this. But you can't say K anymore. See, I used to say that, but like a space there. And you can't say anymore. You can't even say KK or K or anything. It's really weird. Oh, man. Oh, yes. We're gonna get yellow first. Not so sure about green. Green's like in second place, and then blue's fourth, third. Alright. We only need a little. See, like, you can't say XD anymore and capitalize. You can only say D. See, like, you can't even say this. I, like, added that to the dictionary 300 times. Well, I'm not so sure about 300, but about 3 times. I added it to the dictionary. I'm like, please. Just please. Alright. Guys, I'm recording still. So, say hi again. Hello, I'm recording. Sarah, come here. I need water. Okay. Oh, okay. Command fast. Make sure you get on there. Oh, you need water, don't you? Yeah, I do. She said, Sarah, come here. I need water. How is it fun? Alright, so not much. But why can't I go up there? Do it, yeah. We haven't even opened up one chest yet. Wow. And we only have 6 more minutes left. This does not count as a chest. It does not count. We need 4 more for like the yellow one. Really badly, really want to open up the yellow one. Sarah, get on. When we say sky, we mean Skype. Okay. Ugh. I don't feel like fell like it's. You're probably gonna say something like, "Oh, so you're just gonna let your fans down, huh?" Just kidding, Sarah. Ha. Alrighty, 3 more. Alright, I'm gonna tell you guys something funny. On Valentine's Day, there's this kid in my class. His name was John Mansala, and personally, I'm sorry. Did I just see? Yeah. Alright. So like I was saying, it was Valentine's Day, and he gave me the Valentine's Day card, and he spelled my name really wrong. It was like Sharaha. It was really weird. It was like SH. Where is Maddie? Because I'm trying to. Well, right. Oh. Okay. Well, we just had a lot of drama. That's why she said Maddie. Okay. I don't know. She's not been really answering. What? Okay. Wow, do you guys like see that? Do you see that? We only have 4 more minutes left, and we didn't even do anything. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is so weird. See what I mean? Amateur is like seriously strict. Great job. Sorry, that was my dad. He's barged in here looking at me. I'm like, I'm making a video. He was like, oh, 2 more. In 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys. We are like horrible at this game. We're so horrible. Oh my gosh, I got the first chest. Yay. See, 14 then. This one's a 15. A golden samurai helmet. Okay, well that's good. I didn't even buy that, but it's seriously good. Oh my gosh, 25. This is 25. Oh my gosh, a slingshot! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this slingshot. Oh my gosh, I love this slingshot. Whoa! Oh my gosh. I feel like doing the dance that Emmett does. It's like, OMGSH something something. I don't know. Sling. Shots. Here we go, because I know we can. A pottery wheel! Yay! Those things are actually PTAs. You can't really buy them. She said, Sarah, what happened? I said, slingshot. And she said, oh, I got that too. Alright, so we just need 1 more on the blue. And then hold back on the purple because we can't. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That is like the awesomest gift. Oh my gosh, guys, you see that? That's just so cool. Alright. Everyone say goodbye. Everyone say goodbye. Bye you to bye you. That's another thing. Alright, here. Alright. So, bye YouTube. It's been Cool Claus 97 and signing off for good. Bye.